Christian here, Pro3 Properties, full-time real estate investor, reporting today from Panama City, Panama. And I am doing a little tour, touring properties here in Panama City. And we are currently inside the former Trump Tower, which is the JW Marriott. We're looking at a 2-bedroom unit. And I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour. Look at the size of this balcony. Incredible. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera. So check out these views. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. You can even look at this building. It doesn't look bad. All right. So this unit is on the 27th floor. I think it's number 2706. It's a 2-bedroom unit, 2,000 square feet. Here's the kitchen. Dining table seats 6 people. You have laundry here. All the appliances are European made. That's my understanding. Okay. Here's the guest bathroom. Pantry. Alright, so let's go check out one of the bedrooms. So the JW Marriott here in Panama City is considered to be one of the best, or probably the best building to live in or to rent. And yeah, we're touring a whole bunch of different buildings, different condos. We've seen a very interesting penthouse. I wasn't able to take a video because the owner was actually there, and I didn't want it to be awkward. But in this case, the tenants just moved out, so I'm okay to take a quick video. I'm not sure why there's Starbucks stickers everywhere. That's odd. But yeah, every room, the bathroom, the bedrooms, everything is really spacious. And then this bedroom has two beds and a desk. And it still feels spacious, even with 2 beds in here. Another walk-in shower. Very modern. I guess you could say this is typical for a JW Marriott, which is the higher end Marriott product. There's the bathroom. Okay. And that's about it. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. There's the view. Saludos de Panama. Peace.